Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nuriana binti Abdul Aziz. My metric number is F1056. So today I will explain about the dining area, prayer room area and also toilet area.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anna Sufiana binti Sudawi and my metric number is F10X0. I will explain about receiving area, office area and storage area.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nura Adwaina binti Muhammad Zaki, metric number F1001. I will explain, today I will explain about the preparation area, final preparation area, hot preparation, cool preparation, bakery area, service area and playground area.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Syafiqah binti Abdurrahim. My metric number is F1019. I will present about bar area and washing area.
This is the design of our restaurant, where the concept of our restaurant is a modern restaurant concept. The name of our restaurant is Raisha Awesome, where the name of Raisha is the acronym of our group members. Our restaurant theme is Blue Ocean, where we want customers come to our restaurant can feel the calm atmosphere. This is a receiving area, where this is usually a place for unloading delivery from trucks. Okay, these are 3 trolleys where this equipment is to place the item that have just arrived from the truck to be brought into the receiving area. And there are also 2 scales to weigh the item that have just arrived or the item that we order, whether the quantity of items same as the item that we have ordered. This is the door for the receiving area, where this is the place to receive the goods from the truck, and this is the door to go to the storage area. Next, this is a office area, where usually it will maintain and restock office supplies as needed. In addition, here also complete basic bookkeeping and record keeping duties. This is the door for office area. Next, we move to the storage area. This is the storage area. This is the table for we to write what the ingredient that we take from the storage. This is to scale to weigh the item that we have taken, and this is to trolley to bring the item that we have taken. Okay, next this is the dry storage area, which is these are the place of the chef part, where this chef will store the dry ingredients. This is a freezer storage, where the equipment such as deep freezer, refrigerator is to store frozen ingredients such as fish, shrimp, meat and so on. Last but not least, we move to the chiller area. This is a chiller area, where these are equipment such as display chiller to store fresh ingredients such as vegetable, fruits and others. And these are the entrance of the chiller area. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
This a preparation area is the preparation area for cooking and making any food for the customer, and it is adjacent to the storage to make it easy for the workers in the kitchen to take the ingredients in storage quickly and easily. Near the preparation area is divided into hot, cool and final. In hot preparation, where it consists of hot food placed, normally preparation of cooking, grilling and so on. Here there is also ventilated air and that admits cooking smoke so that no symptom of the disease occur. In the front long table section in the middle of the hot preparation place for the convenience of the kitchen workers cutting all the cooking ingredients and so on. In the right place next to the door, there is a cool preparation where are placed to cool hot food like making sushi and so on. In the part, there is a shelf where the equipment facility to cool food safely so that it can be eaten by customer. And on the left, there is a final preparation where the finished dish will be placed in the service section. In each preparation area, trash can, sink and hand towels will be placed for the use of people working in the kitchen. In each preparation area, there are also emergency boxes fire extinguisher, emergency alarms in case of fire in the restaurants, installation of light in each area to prevent the occurrence of any unwanted things such as not seeing plates in cooking materials. We move to the service area. Service area is a place for waiters to take food from the final preparation where the food has been prepared to be served to customer. The sliding glass service window makes it easy for the waiters to see the customer food is ready. There are also gadgets such as TVs that make it easier for the server to know the customer's place number and the order requested by the customer. Okay, we move to the bakery area. The bakery area is located to the right of the cold preparation where it is a U shape, and this the middle there is a long table for bakery preparation, and here there are also trash cans, a sink and handkerchief for the use of the bakery workers, which is located next to the door for hand washing workers first before starting to make the bakery. In the bakery there is also a safety emergency place in case of any fire and others.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Syafiqah binti Abdul Rahim. My matric number 17-F19F1019. I will present about washing area. Washing is a food code term meaning the cleaning and sanitizing of utensils and food contact surface of equipment. Warewashing to describe the act of collecting and washing any kitchenware used during the preparation, serving or storing food. An important step in the process is sanitation, which occur after washing. Once sanitized, the items are dried and placed back in service to use again. Warewashing area. In the warewashing section, on the first side is the entrance where the trolley full of dirty tableware and utensils will be under the entrance to be washed and sanitized. In the second part, this is the process of disposing of food waste and also garbage in the trolley. After that, all the tableware and utensils will be put in the dishwasher to be washed and sanitized. In the third part, after all the tableware and utensil has been washed, cleaned and sanitized in the dishwasher, all the equipments will be dried and placed on the table, then will be put in a trolley for use back or be stored. In the last part, they have a trash box and sink for staff use. In this section also are the exit door for trolley with tableware and utensil taken out for other use. In the last section, there is also have equipment storage cabinet and also a storage cabinet for goods related to warewashing areas. We will present about bar area. Bar area means and are primarily devoted to serving beverage and within which the service of food is only incidental to the consumption of such beverage. The bar shall include seating and counter areas for patrons as well as the area where beverage is prepared for serving. This is the bar area available in this restaurant. This bar area consists of front view and side view. In this bar area, there are several sections such as cashier, table and chairs, chiller, beverage storage and cabinet for store cup, mugs and jugs. In the middle of beverage equipment cabinet, a coffee maker machine is provided. Next to beverage equipment cabinet, have a rack to store all the drinks. At the front view, a cashier provides for customers to pay for their orders. Next to the cashier has a chiller to put cold beverage and dessert. On the ceiling side, they have a cups hang for decoration and also for shows of skill by the waiters. At the server side has a mini table for ice storage and also an ice bucket for customer use. Next to the ice bucket has a mini rack for store equipment such as dessert spoon, dessert fork, bar utensils and equipment, napkins and also tableware. And the last one is the sink for the use of waiters and customers.
That's all from me. Thank you. For the toilet area for worker, we also provided a bedroom and also a toilet in one place. There is also a mirror and also a sink so that the worker can take their break in this area. There is more easy to our worker actually. This is a locker room for our worker. The locker room is made to make sure our personal worker things is secure and keep in the safe condition. This one is locker room for women and this one is a locker room for men. The prayer room area for our workers. So this is what the prayer room for our worker looks like. This is for men and this one is for men. So as you can see, there is a mirror and also some rack to keep the clothes, prayer clothes and also Quran. And there is also a decoration such as chandelier. Okay, now I will explain about dining area. Dining area in this restaurant is in a concept of blue theme. Blue theme looks so fresh and calm and comfortable to look in the eyes so that we can make sure our customer can enjoy their time having the food in our restaurant. As you can see, the wallpaper is made of the flower pattern to make it look more classy and at the same time it looks so charming. There is many types of furniture provided in our restaurant. For example, this one for a family or group, this one for a couple. We provided romantic vibes in our dining area for a couple, so at the right side of the restaurant there is a place that we provided for a VIP. In addition, for the dining area is the decoration for the ceiling that we use is made of chalk. The ceiling is to make the restaurant more classy and beautiful. As you can see, we also add a many lighting effect that we add in this dining area, which is we use this type of simple chandelier in our dining area concept. This one is the area that is connected from the dining area into the toilet area. For toilet area also divided into two rooms, which is for women and also for women. As you can see in this toilet area, there is a sink and also a mirror. We put it with a carpet. So as you can see, this one is the toilet area for women. So this is what it looks like. There is a sink and also a mirror. Next, this one is the toilet area for men. It was similarly to the toilet area for women, but we add some different thing. So this is the toilet area for men. There is also a chandelier, both in a toilet area for women and also for men. For a prayer room, the prayer room is divided into two rooms, which is for women and also for men. And also, we also provide a prayer room for our worker. As you can see, there is some furniture provided in this prayer room, such as rack for keeping Quran, a fan and a chair for those who are not be available to pray in normal condition, and so on. The way for the prayer room is met with the toilet area. So this can make our customer more easy to find the room because it is in one area. In a prayer room for guests, we provide a room for guests to take their wudu for their prayer. So, as you can see, this is for women and also for men. It divided into 2 rooms, so it's not. It's actually separated, and it is good for women actually because as a Muslim woman, we need to cover our aura. So I think that's all from me. Thank you for listening.
Last but not least is the playground area. The restaurant also provides a playground to attract children to visit the restaurant. The playground provides does not endanger children while playing. In the area, there are also shoe racks located inside so as not to scatter on the outside, and on each wheel there are also various windows to make it easier for their caregivers to see their monitor children, and caregivers are also allowed to enter the area. In addition, to view the outside to attract customers who pass through the restaurant. The choice of the wall is in because it can show cheerfulness when looking at the environment of trees and soft colors. In the area, there are also light and ventilation devices for the comfort of children. Thank you.